Good evening everybody, welcome back to another video. It's a beautiful day today. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is that thank you so much for your love and support. It really means a lot to me. Now the second thing is that although I'm wearing a football shirt right now, I'm not a big fan of football. So it's just that I like this shirt, so I'm wearing it. Now today we are going to Emporium Mall as there is a car show by Pakwheels. Now this is a vintage car show of Pakwheels. Now there will be a lot of vintage cars, old cars over there. So it's basically an indoor car show. So let's go and find out how it is. Stay tuned. So I just made it to the mall and let's see what we have over here. Oh my goodness, check this out. So the first car we have, actually a Jeep, is this one. This Jeep is, and the name is not written, so yeah. Out of all these, this one is really special. Check this out. Don't know what the name is, but let's find out what it is. We also have the Mr. Bean's car, Mini Cooper. have original Rolls-Royce Silver Shadow 2. Check this out. Lights have these brushes to wash them off. They had cool things back then. Yeah, it's a beauty. Here's another one. Now these are for big boys and these are for the young ones. All these cars, tell me which car you like the most. The ones I like the most are this one, this one, this one is also nice. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please as always give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.